What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Discord server name. As you can see on the left hand side, I have a Discord server name by the name of Drew Tutorials server, and I can easily change the name. And in order to do that, just simply right click on the server name, just simply right click on the server there, and you want to go to where it says server settings. Now you want to go to the option here which basically says server profile. It's going to take you over to the server profile, and here you'll find the server name, so you can change this to whatever you want. So instead of say Drew Tutorial, I can just rename that and just basically say Drew Toots, for example. I can call it like that, Drew Toots. Let's say that's what I want to call the name of the server. And all you have to do now is just look towards the bottom where it says save changes, click on that, and it's gonna go, I will go ahead and update the server for you. Once you're done, you can easily click on the escape at the top there. It's gonna take you back right over to this home page here, or your main dashboard here of the Discord. And if you hover over it again, you will see that the name of the Discord server actually changes. And that's it.